This is probably the #1 research topic when it comes to crystals. Which crystals are good for money and to promote prosperity? In this video, I'll talk about the best crystals for money and prosperity and what the issue is that might be affecting our ability to prosper. Hi, this is Ileana from Everyday Crystal Magic. If this is the first time on this channel, don't forget to subscribe. In this video, I'll show you my favorite 3 crystals for money and prosperity. Also in this video, I will talk about issues that affect the ability to receive money and enjoy a state of prosperity. So let's get to it. #1 crystal for money and prosperity, no surprise here, citrine. The color of gold, the vibration of success, and as mentioned in another video and other blogs in my website, the feeling of being on top of the world. It's an excellent crystal for business because it increases the energy flow, especially of money. It has nice transactional energy. It is a crystal to make you reflect on how you view or how you characterize money. If you hold the belief that money is the source of all evils or is something that good people should not pursue, just remember that money is another form of energy. Energy goes where the intention goes. What is your intention? One more thing. One of the best things about citrine, if not the best, is that it remains pure, high energy, and charged. Use it wisely. Now let's talk about #2, green aventurine. Another favorite for wealth and prosperity. No surprise here either, but let's not take aventurine for the color of money. Let's embrace the energy of abundance instead. It is popular because of the green color, like green jade in Asian cultures for the same purpose. And yes, green is the color of the vibration of things that grow and thrive. Things that come from the heart, where your sincere desire lives. That's why we want to have the green aventurine, because we want the energy of this crystal to help us see what kind of abundance we believe in. Do we believe in the kind of unlimited resources, or do we believe in abundance of lack? In other words, this being a heart chakra crystal and a traditional symbol of abundance and prosperity, it will show us what limiting beliefs on money, wealth, and prosperity we have. When it comes to prosperity and wealth, do not limit all the avenues for prosperity that might come to you. Let me restate that. Do not put limits to any source of wealth, prosperity, and abundance. Expand your mind and awareness to embrace the belief that abundance and financial freedom can come in many ways. Let go of the limiting belief that your prosperity comes from one source only, and that is your ability to earn a salary. Wealth or money can come from different sources. Let me just mention a few. A settlement, a debt that has been forgiven, underestimated tax returns, it happens, gifts from friends or family, a scholarship, a grant, a promotion you were not expecting, or an opportunity that just fell on your lap or came out of the blue, though there's no such thing. So when using green aventurine for the purpose of prosperity and abundance, let's again change the programming and restate our intention. I am open to all sources of prosperity and abundance. Open the floodgates. Crystal #3, tiger's eye. This is a big favorite of my friends and students because of its driving force, the confidence boost, and resilience. Does a big dollar figure scare you? Tiger eye gives you reassurance that yes, you know how to handle money, because another limiting belief is being intimidated by large sums of money or not knowing anything about money. This is a strong solar plexus crystal and is going directly into your confidence and what you believe is your ability to be successful. Whatever you believe you can or cannot do will affect your prosperity and abundance. I just mentioned that a source of abundance can be a promotion you were not expecting. But what if this was a promotion that you thought you could go for and you didn't even try? That's the role of tiger's eye in your overall prosperity, money, and abundance magic. It is that kick, that nudge, that surge of energy and encouragement in your solar plexus, your center of power and confidence, to pursue avenues of wealth and prosperity you didn't think or never dream of. So those are my top 3 crystals for money, abundance, and prosperity. Now you got the major crystals for abundance in yellow and green crystals because of the energy of growth. But have you really thought about abundance and how is abundance manifested? Because my friends, I think you need to start there. Here are the crystals and you start asking for your form of abundance, whatever that is. Money, gift, whatever. Here's the thing. Are you asking from the point of lack, from the point of need, a sort of desperation and anxiety? And understand that I don't take this lightly when there is financial hardship and when there are commitments. But it is important that when we set our intention, this aligns with the feeling of prosperity and abundance, with joy and appreciation for what we receive, because that is the programming you're putting into that crystal. How about you change that in this way when you're using Citrine? Tap into the confidence-building energy of Citrine to ask with the complete assurance that number 1, you deserve what you're asking for, and number 2, you believe is given. This crystal has a strong energy. Make your desire strong as you express it, because the opposite is not going to deliver the message. Before I go, I want to add one more thing. When looking at what money or worth issues come from, let's start with the root chakra, because that is where our sense of safety lives. Experience of hardship, difficulties, and trauma can block your manifestation. Everybody's affected by this, but especially women who rely on a partner or a family member for their survival. This relationship, these feelings can move to the solar plexus and render us powerless because of the feeling of not being able to achieve stability on our own. So let's work on that solar plexus. Let's also clear those emotions so you can open your path to abundance and prosperity. Let me know in the comment sections below your experiences with these crystals. In the links below, you will see the one to my crystal grids page in my website, where you will find crystal grids for money and abundance and prosperity. Check them out. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And until next time, be well, have fun, and do some magic. But above all, allow yourself to receive.